Now it's time for our Tech Tip, presented by SBT, the world's largest remanufacturer of personal watercraft engines. Today's watercraft engines are incredibly durable. Some engines routinely last as long as 1,500 hours. That's the equivalent of over 2 months of continuous operation. If you want to expose the weak points of an engine, the best way is to push it to its limit. That's where SBT's Alligator Point test facility comes into play.
The Alligator Point Research Center is a 70-acre facility with a totally enclosed 40-acre lake. Luckily, we don't have any neighbors to bother environmentally, and the gators make excellent watchdogs.
The type of testing that we're doing here is an accelerated failure test. The back pressure of the stationary water on the thrust and the drivetrain and the engine is in excess of the thrust that you would get of a running, operating, moving ski, and in that way it creates an accelerated failure test.
We used to test our engines in a conventional manner, having one rider on one ski, putting as many hours as we could. This research center allows us to put more hours on an engine and a ski. We can easily test 4 skis at once. We can easily get hundreds of hours per month of accelerated testing to get a perfect balance of performance and longevity for our engines. We're able to make minute adjustments, retest, and get good data right away through accelerated testing to find that perfect balance.
What we intend to do here is we will start with a stock ski, and we'll perform the test to see how many hours that a stock ski will go in a stationary mode of operation, such as what we have going on behind us here. Then we will in turn put an SBT engine in the same environment, run it at the same RPMs, and confirm that indeed that our engines perform in a manner similar to the stock configuration.
In addition to endurance testing, we also do full performance testing with Stalker radar to ensure that our engines meet or exceed OEM specifications and performance levels. According to our customer feedback and our data thus far, that's certainly the case.
Still ahead with the Dos Equis Motosurf Nationals, the big guns in Pro 1200 and Pro Freestyle. Stay with us.